Is it started? Recording started? Yeah. Sometimes we miss. Yeah. Fine. So yesterday we have created an object. We have passed two parameters in the constructor, and we have given the same name, variable name of constructor parameter also and class variable also. So, and we have differentiated using this keyword. So I told you this keyword is used to access the class variable also. This one, current class variable. First use of this keyword, current class variable. Study notes. If you have seen, I have sent you people, right? Okay, study notes. I don't know. I have. Next use of constructor is this. In this program, do you have any issue? Here you see. This is used to access the current class variable. So yesterday we have seen how can we access current class variable. Today we'll see how can we access current class method using constructor, using this keyword. And why we need this keyword, in which situation we should use this keyword, in which situation we should use this keyword.
To access the class variable from the same class inside the class.
By method also you can access.
Yeah, to avoid the conflict between the when we use the
Names.
same variable names, to avoid the conflict between
If you both have it same name and you want to initialize with that variable to that class variable, with that value to the class variable with same name, then, and practically this is what we are doing. That is the use of constructor. Constructor means we are going to initialize the class variable with constructor parameter. It means that whatever the same value of constructor should get assigned to the class variable. I am going to assign college USN to the class USN. I am going to assign college name, constructor college name to class college name. And this keyword will help you. It will remove the conflict because this always, what is the difference between this keyword and reference with normal reference variable? Can anyone? What is the difference between this keyword and normal reference variable?
I think so. This keyword holds the address of the class, and the normal reference holds the value.
No, wrong answer. How, Boni? Reference variable also holds the address. See, yesterday only I told you. Again, reference variable always holds the address for which you are creating an object. This is also a reference variable. This also holds the address. But
this means for this, I mean, if we create two reference variables with this for the same constructor, this is used to refer which particular variable we are accessing at that particular time.
from there, you will be accessing same class variable, no? Which class variable you will access, that class variable it will be pointing. If you have two constructor, three constructor, class variable will be common, na? Or only fixed. So using this keyword, whichever class variable you will access, that variable only it will access from their location. But my question is, what is the, did you get your answer? See, you have one constructor you do have one more constructor. So whenever you will write anywhere this dot college USN, there it will point to class college USN, college name USN. If you have even, let's say, one more constructor. Here also you are writing class variable is fixed now. Here only two are there. So this dot college USN. From here also this dot college USN, it will point to the class variable, college name, class variable. Right? 8:20. Not understood, then tell me. Silent. Do this scenario. Then come to me. First, you people should do.
Yeah, I did one scenario, sir. I created a class called house, and then like, can I copy my code?
Yeah, I'll show your screen. Don't worry, I am here. If someone practice, I will see is good. Show your screen.
Okay, I'll.
Yes, show. Share the screen. I stop sharing. You share the screen.
Okay.
Jagan, you have joined?
Yes, I'm trying to connect with laptop as well for viewing purpose. So only I hope it will be showing two names.
No, you have messaged only. Show me. Good. Now, where is that?
Here. This is the constructor class. And I have created two reference variables for the class.
This is not a constructor class. This is your main method class.
House sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah,
it's okay. No problem.
But I have created a constructor with the same main method class.
The main method constructor. See, first of all, I say to create.
I have this keyword I use to pass this values to the class variable here. I was trying to swap values between these two constructor values. So,
first of all, what's your name? I forgot. Sorry.
Vinodini.
So, first of all, you are passing this constructor, right? And there only you are trying where you are using this keyword, that is important first. And where is this? See, you have only one class, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
That is also main method class.
Yeah.
Scroll down. Scroll down. So here in the main method class only, you are creating the constructor of main method class, right?
Correct.
Correct. Now,
yeah,
you only tell and go up, scroll up. This swap value, I think your spelling is correct. Something. Just check.
Swap values. It is correct, sir. It is correct.
Swap values is there.
Yeah.
Okay, mouse over there. Cannot make a static reference to the non-static method. Swap values. This is a method, right?
Yeah, correct. Yesterday when I tried to use
No,
this
it's completely wrong. Actually, see here, first of all, what is actual parameter?
this thing
You
2000
are passing
KV.
the object to the method.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
constructor.
I'm passing the object to the method. I tried with the values, but it was not working, so that's why I
No. That first of all, first mistake is we should not. First of all, you have only one class, correct?
correct.
Main method. You have main method class. Main method is a static. Okay.
Okay.
So inside a static, this keyword cannot be used. So that's why we are not creating anything in main method. This keyword, anything we are not using. Okay.
Okay.
First thing. And see, because I didn't teach you a static and non-static. Now you write, come down, come down. Before void, you write a static. Void swap values is there now, write static. Void static, sorry, static void. Before void, you
Okay.
write a
That is why.
static. That method, swap values method you have defined, not down.
Yeah. Swap values method I have defined.
So write static. Line
Okay.
number 24. First write static. Before void. Before void. Now error gone, huh?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Now the
So
error is resolved.
you don't understand this. I didn't teach you static and non-static. I will take 2-3 hours of session on static and non-static. That time you should understand it.
Okay.
First of all, how much I told you, that much you should understand. It's good that you have thought this scenario, but you have only one class and same class object you are creating an object in the same method, in the same class you are creating. So there is no use there, right? First thing, you are
but I
having
was
only one
trying
class.
to I was trying to swap the values between these two, like the constructor values, the reference variables of the constructor that I pass using two objects, two reference variables, apartment
Using
and duplex.
that is different way you can do.
Okay.
Swapping the values you can do in different ways. Now two reference you are passing here. One is apartment and one is duplex, right?
Yeah, correct.
So in the method you are passing reference, so that method should also return some this one class type data, and then you can do it. Rather than this one, you can swap like left to right, no? Apartment equal to duplex, duplex equal to apartment, like that. You take one another.
So I tried that code, but it didn't work. So
So your
I tried.
reference, how you only tell how it will work. Because you are trying to assign the address, one address to another address. Both address are located at different places. Apartment is holding one address. Duplex is holding one address.
Home address. Okay.
And address will be house constant at the rate round junk value. And both will have same address. Actually, both are equal. You write apartment equal to duplex. You write system.out.println.
Inside the main method, or should I write?
There only you write after this line, 14 line, you write apartment equal to duplex equal to double equal. The spelling is wrong. APART. Run this.
False. Yeah.
Right?
Okay. This is returning Boolean. Okay.
Boolean. Double equal will always return Boolean. Single equal is assignment operator.
Yeah.
Double
So
equal is
both,
a comparison operator.
yeah.
Yeah. So first of all, this you only tell if you will create two objects of the same class, it will have different address or not.
Yeah, different address.
then how apartment and duplex will be equal? That's why it's telling false. Apartment address is not equal to duplex address. Both having different address, and you are trying to assign some address to it. Did you print the address sheet to apartment address and duplex address? Did you try to print?
No, sir.
Then print SOP apartment duplex. And same copy code, paste it down. Right, duplex. Now print the value. The goal is console you open down. Expand that console. Little down you do. Now see, two address you got.
Yeah.
Both having different or not?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Now, what's your name? Sorry, I forgot it. Vinodini.
Vinodini. Yeah.
Okay. Scroll down. And now you try to assign this value, right?
Yeah.
Now you write apartment equal to duplex. So why it is throwing error now? A spelling mistake, something?
Yeah, that's a spelling mistake.
DUPLEX. DUPLEX. Yeah. Now you assign. You want to swap? No. Again, why you are changing? Leave it. Now write enter. Before write curly braces, enter. Enter. Right
Yeah.
now. Apartment equal to duplex. Duplex. See everyone, guys, you can see here. It's not wasting our time. Now, SOP you write apartment. Wait. Write
Okay.
system.out.println apartment. Apartment. You do.
Okay. Now I'll run.
Run. Now see. First of all, apartment address you check. What is there?
Because this thing, the 43363.
Now down, what is the apartment address?
It has changed. It has changed.
Right? Why it changed? Because using
Because we assigned.
Assignment operator, you have assigned the address of duplex into apartment.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Now it's swapped or not?
Yeah. It's swapped.
So,
It got assigned. Yeah.
Yeah, you got your answer.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
But this is whatever you did, this is now out of context.
Yeah.
Why? Because don't feel bad. You did, that is really thank you. But I was teaching constructor. So constructor, first of all, you are trying to do everything in one class, right? And here the fault is you are trying to do in the main method class. We should never disturb main method class. Okay?
Okay.
Because main method class is program launcher. The main method is not a simple main method. The main method, see, it's a static method. It is a public. General method, wherever I am writing, I am writing anywhere, public and static. Have you seen?
No.
Any method, till now, whatever I taught you, whenever I will create a method, I will simply write void method name.
Void, yeah.
Anywhere did I use public and static?
No.
No. So main method is public and static. It is having some predefined meaning. So unless you will understand that, how can you do all these things here? Getting?
Yeah, getting.
So you should understand what is static, non-static, then access modifiers. Then you should do the modification inside main method. Okay?
Okay.
And you should not disturb the main method class. Rather than doing everything in the same class, you should try creating another class the way yesterday I told, and there you should define different constructor. You should check whether it is getting assigned or not. But here you try to swap the address only, right? Correct, na?
The contents of the address. This thing, the
Content,
2000.
if you want to now content you have to change, then you have to use formal parameters down.
Yeah.
In the where is your constructor?
Here.
Where? This is the constructor, right?
Yeah.
So this constructor already you have initialized. Now you want to swap, correct?
Yeah.
So how can you swap? You have one is a square feet. Another top
One
you
is
go.
BHK.
Top also a square feet is there.
Yeah.
Correct.
Square feet is the BHK. Yeah.
So if you will try to assign a reference, it will not work. Here you should create one method, then assign the value.
But I got the output. It's this thing.
Now I'll tell you. Now see here you are trying to swap the value of these two parameters, correct?
Contents. Yeah, correct.
Both having same name.
I was trying to figure out how this works when we have like two different types of set of values passed through constructor.
You can do it. There is no doubt. You can do it. Now, where you want to swap, like which one, which value, like where you want to swap, where exactly?
The 2000 and this values I wanted to swap. First for apartment I'm passing 2000 square feet and 3 BHK. For duplex I'm passing 2500 square feet and 5 BHK. So I was trying to swap. Before swap, the value would be up for the 2003 BHK, 2500 5 BHK. If it is swapped, the values would get changed like 2500.
So you are having a reference variable, na?
Yeah, apartment and duplex.
Right, you have reference variable, so you can use that this one duplex apartment dot whatever value is there, right? Apartment dot that value equal to this one. See,
that's
here
what I tried. Yeah.
No. Here swap value. Okay, you are passing this value, right? House constant apt and house this one, right?
Yeah. This is what I tried to do.
No. Wait. Don't get hurry. Now, int temp, you have taken one temporary variable, correct?
Yeah, correct.
In that, now what you are doing, apt dot square feet. Why? What is your APT?
I have created another object here. I was getting error after error, and then I tried this method and this.
No. This is error. See, house construct itself is one class the object, right? Again, you have created one
class. House constant is
one two reference you have created, right? Apt and something of these two classes, correct?
Yeah, this is one reference variable, and apt and DUP are.
This is two class variables, right?
Yeah, no class variables, sir. This is object itself. I mean reference
variable. See, APT is a type of house const object, house const class. Again, DUP is a reference variable of house constant, not object.
Yeah.
Correct,
reference variable. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah.
Reference variable. So APT dot square feet, SQFT. What is the value of a square feet?
For apartment, the square feet value would be 2000.
How can you say that?
By first.
You only print APT dot square feet. You print First print, no? If you don't know, then
Yeah,
print.
I-
Print SYSO APT dot square feet. And both BHK also. APT dot BHK. Okay, print. Run. Check the value. Check the value.
2003 BHK.
You're getting here, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Now your temporary variable is temp square feet and temp BHK. Correct?
Yeah.
There. Now you print that temp square feet, system.out.println, temp square feet. You made it too much complex, this program. It's a 4 lines of code. Temp square feet. Now
And then temp BHK.
temp BHK. Now see, yeah, these value get swapped.
No, sir. I think 2000 and 2500. I mean, 2003 BHK would be the same. Yeah.
So
Yes.
what you should do? You should write temp square feet equal to. Okay, and go. One is a string, is it?
String is 3 BHK.
So one is integer, one is a string, correct?
Yeah, correct.
So how can you swap a string into integer? You only tell.
I know. I passed string only.
So you pass string, one pass you integer. Correct.
Yeah.
So integer, whenever you should swap the value, na?
No, sir. No. This thing is integer. For first value of the constructor is 2003 BHK. The second
Another
value
one
is
is a string.
2500 5 BHK.
Correct.
I'm swapping. So now the first value would be 2500 5 BHK. After swapping, the value that will be printed is 2500 5 BHK and then 2003 BHK.
Now you write it here, apartment dot top only. Apartment
After
dot.
what line? At what line?
No, see, first of all, it's a very simple. You made it very much complex. You want to swap the value, na?
Yeah.
You want to swap the value, constructor parameters value, right?
Yeah, correct.
Right. So you made it very much complex. Here, simple, you go. Here, just take whatever parameters you have. You first assign one reference equal to reference 2. Okay. You have did this.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay. Did this here.
Right. Now, after that, you access that member.
Apartment dot.
Whatever value of whatever that class and ref1 dot value of that class. First you do that.
Okay.
Now inside constructor you want to swap. This will not happen directly. Okay.
Okay.
It will not happen directly. First you should know the logic how to swap two numbers. Do you know?
Yeah. You
How to
store in a
swap?
temporary variable.
If you will take temporarily variable, then you should write now x.
A, pass that value to A, and then B, pass the B value to A, and then the temporary value to B.
There's something, let's say two variables are there. You will write x equal to y, correct, na?
Yeah,
Y
correct,
equal
correct.
to
X,
like x equal to temp, something you will write, correct? Or temp equal to x, right?
Yeah, correct.
Then again x y equal to x or x equal to y, right?
Yeah, correct.
Then finally x equal to temp. then it
Yeah.
will be swapped. This is
Yeah.
the logic,
Yeah.
right? Now you are
Yeah.
trying to like swap arguments of different constructor. You have one constructor, let's say college one constructor. Here you have a value, let's say 10, 20. Another constructor, again same constructor, you have 10, 20, correct?
Yeah.
But
Then
when
both
two
are different
objects, both two objects will be creating for that, both will have different address, correct?
Correct.
So how can you swap this directly? It is even after if you will assign this reference variable also, then using reference variable in that constructor, try that value. After assigning, like here you write, as I told you, ref1 equal to ref2. Are you able to access the value ref1.val? Try this. Share your screen fast. Share, reshare. I'm not able to see. Reshare,
Oh yeah, I am resharing.
reshare. Do this. It's interesting, but simply complex. Okay. Now, apartment dot square feet. Now plus apartment dot what is 3B? What is there?
3 BHK.
Another way.
BHK.
Right.
Apartment
Apartment
dot
dot.
yeah.
Right.
BHK.
Okay. That is the variable name.
Yeah, BHK is the variable class variable name.
Okay. Now print. Check now.
2500.
And 2500 was belonging to duplex, right? Now
Yeah.
it's swapped or not?
Yeah, it is swapped. It is simple. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is simple.
You made first mistake. What? See, your thinking was correct, but first mistake what you have done in the main class, you have did all the things,
All
right?
the thing. Yeah.
Second thing, you should create another class. You should define another constructor there, and simple line. Simple. Even if you are not defining also, simply assign one reference variable to another using assignment operator.
Assignment operator. Yeah.
After that, you change the variables. That's it.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
But
Sorry
whatever
for
I was teaching you, did you try this keyword?
Yeah, sir. I started doing that by using this.
Are you clear on this keyword? How
Yeah,
to access
I'm
current
clear.
class
Yeah, I'm
variables?
clear. Yeah.
Right. First
Yeah.
of all, inside a main method, you see in the same class, you have created the constructor and you are trying to access this square feet, right?
Yeah.
Where is your square feet? This dot square feet go?
Here.
A class variable. No, I want to see class variable.
Here.
So in the same class, you have defined a square feet and BHK, correct?
Yeah, but outside the main method.
But inside main method, you write this dot square feet. Are you able to access? Anyway,
No,
main
sir.
is a method.
Yeah,
You
no, I
write.
can't access. Yeah.
Why? Because this is the concept of static and non-static. You cannot use this keyword inside a static.
Okay.
That's why we are not able to access the swap value method also inside a main method, because swap value is a non-static and you are trying to access inside a main method.
Yeah, I did that. I got that error. And then
You will get non-static context cannot be referenced from a static context. That error you will get.
Yeah, we are getting.
So fourth mistake, which
Yeah.
concept you were not knowing, that you tried.
Sir, thank you so much. But I'm sorry for wasting all of your time.
No, sorry. Why sorry? It's not a this one. You tried, that is good. Now everyone I am asking, did you all understand what she tried to do here? Everyone should appreciate you for this, that you tried to swap two values using constructor. Constructor values she wanted to swap. Did you all get? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I
Yes.
got it, but I have a question. Vinodini, can I
Hmm.
please scroll down a little bit? I don't know whether it's a method or constructor. So yeah, this is the one. Static void swap values. So
Hmm.
in yesterday's example, there are two things: calling method, called method, right? Here we collect those values by defining the data type and then variable, right? In our example, say for
Yeah,
example, integer, and then we provide
and
that
then
name like house
yeah,
constant and string
yeah.
constant, but it was not provided in that way and it is still working. How is that possible?
Where is
Yeah,
not?
that's what.
According
31.
to you, what should happen?
It should be defined, it should be defined with the data type, right? Like integer
Int
house
and
constant
string.
and then
Okay.
string
No,
house
no, integer
constant.
Good.
up AP.
Now,
Yeah,
wait,
integer
wait,
also.
wait. I am here. Please wait. You both wait. Now I will clear your doubt in your question only. What is user defined data types or reference data type? There are two data types I taught you. One is
Uh-huh.
primitive data type. Another one I told reference data type or user defined data type.
Count.
Correct.
Yeah,
So what is user defined data type?
string,
It's
string, list,
No, you people have
string
no, no,
not.
no, 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 no.
Any
Integer.
variable which is a type of a class. Any class
Yeah,
types is a user defined types. Now house constant is your class variable, reference
Class
variable,
variable. Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
House constant, go up. See here, this is your class house constant.
No, that's a class, right? But it's not a variable.
No, so any variable you will use with class, what it will become?
Okay, house variable. No, but
Wait,
okay.
let me share my screen
I'll stop.
here. Now tell me int x equal to 20. What is the
Mm-hmm.
type of x?
Integer.
Good. Boolean b equal to true. What is the
Boolean.
type of b?
Boolean.
Now I have a class A. Now I will write A1. What is the type of A1?
A.
Class type. So what is this A1? A1 is a
Reference.
user defined or reference variable. It will always, A1 will always, it is a type of A. So A1 will always return the type of A, means reference of A, address of A. And because it is pointing to A class, using A1, you can access the A class members.
Okay. Okay. Got
Right?
it. Okay.
So if you have a method, let's say void so. Using reference variable, you can access. Why reference? This is user defined
A
type. So you
dot.
can write SOP A1 dot. What is their value? X.
Yeah. Okay.
Now in parameters, C is passing user defined types. Like this, C is passing A, like say A2, again C is passing A3. So A2 is a type of A3 is a type of A. So you can use now A2 dot X,
Got it. Okay.
SOP,
Yeah. Yeah.
SOP,
I got idea. Thank you.
right? A3 dot B, correct?
Yeah.
But
This makes
now you
sense.
people are trying, you people are that much like what you can say, so much encouraged now, and you are trying to go one step extra. first of all, you don't know now what is method argument, what is return type, non-return type of method, correct? Correct or not?
Yes, yes.
So first of all, I didn't teach to anyone what is this argument, what is the return type method, what is non-returning type, what it returns, what we should use. So first of all, you people just going to internet or copying paste, go sequence wise. Till now, I taught you constructor and methods. I told you this much. Any name, start with void and any name. That's it. Simple. I told you. And I told you use of method is to access the class variable. Correct or not? 2 lines I told you
Yes.
about method.
Yes, sir.
Any name starting with void, ending with this enclosed bracket, surrounded by left and right curly braces is a method. And second line I told methods are used to access the class variable. Correct?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
You see here, without reference variable, we can access the method. That only I told you. That's it. This much. F dot O dot P. Here you go and access the class variable. X simply you write, it will give you the access. That's it. Correct? If you write SO dot P, here B, this is a class variable B, it will access B. This much only I told. Correct now? I didn't teach you how to pass parameter inside a method. I taught you now constructor how to pass a parameter. I didn't teach you how to pass parameter in a method. Correct? Agreed or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I agree with it. It was like, yeah, I tried to do so much, but I was getting error.
that's why you will
And then-
go in sequence wise. Just keep patience. Whatever you have not learned till now, you were saying in internet, I will teach you after interface. Go and explore your internet browsing. How much you interface, you will be 100% confident and you will be understanding the statement. Now, till now, you understood just constructor. After that, I will teach you this one, static and non-static. That is this is backbone. Now you go, that time only you go and do how much scenario you want to do.
Okay.
So don't go step extra. That will give you conflict. And
Okay.
whatever you are doing currently, it will go from the mind.
So it would be better if you could give us some assignments like we
My assignment is, first of all, let's say yesterday I have given you one program, correct?
yeah.
I have given you this program.
Yeah,
Now, this program, you have done all the scenario, whatever I have given you, correct? Now, in this scenario, you should add, okay, what will happen if now you only to know, sorry, I am using two constructor. What will happen if I will call one more time constructor and I will try to access the variable? Same college, I want to call one more time here. Are you getting? Here. And I will try to access this. What will happen? Just once.
It will call the same, access the same class variable.
Hello, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you people understand this? You should try like, okay, what will happen if I will call one more time constructor? I will try to assign some different value here. Using this keyword, sir has accessed the class variable. Now I will try to access one more reference variable. Okay, he has taken two variable. I will add one more variable here, college. See, if I will try to teach you Java OOPS concept only, it will take 3 months if you will do like that. 3 months I will keep on teaching. You scenario, you people should try more. How much scenario I am giving, first be perfect in that scenario. Okay. I told you na, whenever you will create an object, constructor will get executed, right? Now you should try one more constructor with different parameters. You should pass the value. Here you should pass something integer or string, integer, boolean with 3 parameters. Then you should define the constructor and you should try that. Because this part you do, who is just stopping you? Getting? Hello?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now just 2 minutes. I will take one program and I'll try to do that. See here, just remove all these things. Make it clear. Okay, this one. Just make everything clear. Here, that's simple. Go here. Okay, this method is okay. Now this is okay, fine. This remove all, everything. Now the question is how to access current class method. Okay. How to access current class method. This keyword, using this keyword. That is the use of, correct? Yesterday I taught you. Where I taught, I don't know. This keyword is used to access the current class method. Now you go to the program. Now in this class we have a method, only one method, get data. Correct? Correct or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
We do have one method inside college class, that is get data. Now I want to create one more method. Let's say void get USN. Okay. Simple. And I am writing here simply. Here I am writing. The USN is, and I will give college US. That's okay. Fine. This much only I'm. Now you want, see, I have called this method get data from here, correct? I do not want to call this get USN method from main method. I want to call this get USN method within the same class only. Are you getting what I told? What is the scenario?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, sir.
I
did
want to
not get
call. You did
No, I did not get you. So what was the question? We need to
yeah, now
call.
see what I told. Now see, I want to call get USN method within the class, within the same class. Not from main method. Are you getting now?
Yes, sir.
Now you got? Means here, from here, I don't want to call get USN. Like this, I don't want to call C dot get USN. I don't want to do this. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The scenario you people understood or not?
Understood,
Yes.
sir.
Understood.
No. Now, so I have two methods. You want to call get USN. Simply, you know, what is this? This is a keyword which holds the current class address. So if I will call this dot get USN, it will get call or not?
Yes.
From here, this will hold the address of current class. Current class is college. So this is holding the address of college class. Now in college class, where is the get USN method? So here it is, right? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
This scenario is clear or not?
Yeah, the scenario is clear, but I have a question. So instead of this keyword, we can call directly as well, right? Instead of main method. So even within college, the class, I can simply call that method, right? Without assigning proper. Hello.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, you can call it. No doubt.
So
You
yeah. Then what is the purpose of this keyword here?
correct. Perfect question. First of all, if I am using this, if I am pointing to any reference, any variable or any class member. So purpose of this is here, boss, I am going to point the exact that variable. Now the time will come when you will have same method name in the class. The time will come when you will have a same method with different parameters in the class. Like get USN, you are seeing this method. Hello, are
Yes,
you
sir.
getting? Time will come, you will have same method name. When I will teach you method, you will have same method name. That time conflict will be there or not? If you will write it here, get USN, this get USN will be called and it will go to the infinite loop. That time what you will do? Are you getting? Time will come when you will same method name multiple time defines with different parameters.
Okay.
Okay. So that time we should segregate or not?
Yes.
Right. So this, why we are using, there is one option using this keyword, you can access the current class method, current class. Now, let's say I am giving one more example, leave that same method name, leave that same method name. Now, let's say if you have one more class, you should think, let's say you have one more class like class, let's say college 1. Here also, void get USN is there. Correct. Here also this method is there. Now if we'll call here get USN, will it get called?
No.
Correct. Here also get USN is there. So how can you call this? You cannot call this.
We cannot call because it's outside of class. It's a different class.
It's another class, right? And if I will write it here, this dot case. So 100% surety is there, boss. I am calling the method which is present in the same class. Correct or not?
Okay.
Here, now here you want to call this method. Now here you cannot call this using this keyword. This method you cannot call here using this keyword. Right? You have to create some object. Correct now?
College 1.
Yes, sir. College 1, C1 equal to new.
Right. And then using
College.
C1 dot get USN, you can do that.
Okay.
So did you get the difference now?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm good now. Thank you.
So this is the one. Purpose also you will get, just wait here. Some trick is there. Now, already another. Let me save this program first. Control C, Control S. So here, let me local where I taught this keyword. Inside this only I will teach you. Where is that program, guys? Yesterday I have saved, no? This keyword, that program I am not able to see. Okay, let me create this keyword. Part 2. Now here, .java. Right? Now see here. This dot get USN. I have called this method here. For 2 times I have called. Okay, fine. Now you see. Run this program. Go here. Sorry. Where is that? This your part 2. Now let's go here. CMD. Java C. What is that?
No.
University.
Sorry, sir. I think you are in a wrong folder.
Is it?
Yeah, this keyword. It should be this keyword part 2, right?
Okay. So Java C. Sorry. CD. What is that? This keyword.
This keyword part 2, I believe.
Yeah. Now Java C. After that, what is the name?
University.
Now see Java. Now see magic here. It is going to infinite loop. Can you see? It is not getting a stop only. Now after some time it will get with error, it will get a stop. Now what you did, see here. Intentionally I have done this. Now using this keyword, we can call the current class method. Correct? This point is clear? This point
Yes.
is clear or not? Using
Yes.
this
Yes, sir.
keyword, we can call the
Yes.
current class method. So from here, control will come here, right?
Yeah.
And it will execute this line. It will execute this line. After that, again, this dot get USN. Again, from here, control will go here.
Here.
Correct?
Oh.
So it is within same loop. It will form one loop circle. It will keep on executing himself. That is called recursion. The method which call itself is called a recursion. So here, if you will do like this, it will go to infinite loop. Execution will keep on going. See, from here, he is calling get USN. Again, from within the same method, he is calling itself. See, from here, what you are doing? The method calling itself. Can you see that? So it will create one loop or not? Within the same loop, it will keep on executing, keep on executing, keep on executing. So we should not call the method within the same method without any unnecessary requirement. Okay. See, it may help you when you are doing some recursive program, recursion, factorial and all. Whenever you are trying to print a factorial of a number, that time recursion will help you. But general use recursion is not required. What is recursion? Calling method itself means I am calling myself. Like my name is Chandan, I am calling Chandan, Chandan, Chandan. I am calling myself. So I will go in I will keep on execute. I will only tell, I will only do. I will tell, I will do. Right? So this is not, this is called recursion. So a recursion is there and here it will go to infinite. Recursion and will leads to infinite loop. Infinite loop. Simple. I want to call the method in the current class. I will call this method from another method. So what is the point here is? What is the point here is to call another method using this keyword. To call another method using this keyword from method. We need at least two methods. two method, at least two method. Two
Sir,
method.
sorry, I got confused. I think.
You let me complete. No, don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry that you will understand each and every centimeter while teaching only. I will tell you. We need at least two methods defined in the class. Now understand. Now tell me what you didn't understand. Now tell me.
Within a class, we can call the method directly. I mean, just mention the name. Why we need this keyword?
This
for
keyword,
method.
what? First of all, if
Like-
you do
like-
no,
like
wait. First,
yeah.
you should have clarity here. I am not going to call the method using reference variable of college class. Okay, another method I do not. Let's say after get data, you have a 10 methods inside this class. I do not want to call from main method. I want to execute within this same class.
Yeah, so within same class, we can just mention the method name.
So that's just now 5 minutes back only I have answered, no? Why?
That's why I got confused. That's why I'm asking again.
Confused. At that time you should interrupt me. See here, if I will write simple name also, what will happen? If let's say if you have this method multiple times in the class, this get USN method is defined multiple time in the class. So whenever you will write get USN, then what will happen? See here, now here 2 times it's written.
It will keep on calling the same methods.
See here. Now if you call without this keyword, what will happen?
You won't know
Where
which
it will
method
go?
to call.
Which method you call?
Is it to the nearest one?
Nearest one.
I don't know. Boni is also speaking. You are also speaking. So did you get this or not?
Sir, I think nearest method will call or come.
No, don't think. Don't do assumption. Here nearest variable is not. It's not variable. Nearest variable concept will come when you are using within the block, within the context. Like that variable, if here index is there, that is index is there. Here also index is there. That is nearest block and all.
Okay, sir.
This will not work. Now here name you are calling. First of all, confusion is there, right?
Yes.
Second example I told, leave this example. I told second
But
example.
if we use this keyword, that time also the same issue will be there, right? If we use this keyword, so this will be referring
Because
to
that's
the
why
class.
you people are going one step extra. How, let's say it will have int x, it will have string x. How same issue will be there?
No, if we will not enter any parameter.
I am telling, like I repeated, time will come when you will have same method defined in the class again and again with different parameters. That is called method overloading. That time what you will do? It will have one parameter, it will have two parameter, name will be always same. But you are calling the method using name, na?
Yeah, so if that time we can differentiate basis on the parameter. But now no parameter, but two methods with
Now
same name.
here int x is there, string is there. Now both are having same parameter, right? Type is different, correct?
Yes, correct.
Now here make it int y. In that case,
as we are calling just get USN, nothing will call because no parameter while calling.
parameter is there now. This is having one parameter. It is also having one parameter.
No other where we are calling this the above the line number 20.
Who is this
22,
speaking?
line 22.
Sorry?
The line number
Isha,
22, there we are not passing any parameter.
We will write it here. Let's say here you have written 10.
Okay. Then again it will get confused because both are int type. 10 also
Right.
int.
So that's why I'm telling you, let that topic come. If now only I will teach, then here I have to teach you full methods. That will take another 3 hours. First of all, you should be knowing how to call. If you are not getting the answer right now, please wait for 2 classes. No? Are you getting? And if you are not understanding this one, this is how I try to make you understand. If you are not getting understood here also, no problem. At least I have given you one example here. There is one more class I told you, right? Here also. There are some more classes there. Here also get USN is there. Void get USN. At least this much you should understand. Now I want to call this dot USN. Will this method called? If I will write it here, this dot get USN. This dot get USN. Will it this method will be called?
No,
This
sir.
method will
No,
be
sir.
called?
No, sir.
No. So using this, what it is confirmation you are getting. Boss, I am
Current
accessing the
class
method.
method.
Current class method only I am accessing. Even so many classes is there. So many classes is having get USN. Let's say there is a class RBI, SBI, SDFC, right? All bank is having one method create account number. Correct? So if I will use this dot create account number, that create account method will help you to create RBI account number. If I will do this dot create account number, that will help you to create the account of SBI. In SBI, if I am using. So are you not getting the difference now? Let's say this is your SBI. And here I will write, and here, what create account. Now here, I will write this dot, sorry, here I will write this dot, create account. Which account will be created? SBI or HDFC? Which account it will create?
Yeah, it will create a SBI account. But the question is, if we are not using the this keyword inside the SBA, then also it will be creating the same thing, right?
See, first of all, why we are using this? When there will be a conflict, that time only, na? Correct. If we have this keyword when we use, there are two ways.
Yeah.
To avoid the conflict if both all having same name. Second thing, now we are checking what are the uses of this keyword. So first uses we got to know this keyword is used to access the current class variable. Correct? This keyword can be used to access the current class method also. Current class method also. This keyword you can access the current class constructor also. Now you will tell, sir, we are able to call the constructor using here only, then what is the use of calling the constructor using this keyword? Correct? So I do not want to do it explicitly anything present. At the same moment, I want some data. That time I want to call that. I want to use that variable. So I will use it. Now using without this also, let's say, according to you only, let's go here, leave this class SBI. Okay. Where is that? Get USN is there. This dot get USN. From here again, I am calling this get data. Void get data is there. Get USN is there. Now leave. Here Remove this. Just call this get USN. This one, right? This is your thing, correct na?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can call like this also. Get USN, we can call like this also. Now let's see, we should not get any error. So, so the USN is 0. We got the answer, correct?
Yeah.
Correct or not? Now, if I will use this dot get USN also, I'll get the same answer. Is it okay?
Yeah. So we just asked if we can give an example to show the benefit of using this.
Benefit, first of all, the one benefit, what is itself is, I mean, using this also we can access the current class method, right?
Yeah.
Using this also we can access the current class method that is in the same class. Getting the benefit? Now using this, okay, I can call the method like this, but using this keyword also we can do it. Now when
Yeah, because for the variables, right, we were clearly understanding the difference. Like, okay, if there are local declaration for that variable.
do you understand returning type method? Do you have returning type method concept clear? Do you have returning type method concept clear? Class type, not a simple returning type.
Yeah.
Can you tell
Not
me any
really.
method which I can create a returning type of class method?
We haven't
Any
learned that, sir.
return? No, let them ask because they are having this query. Then I can teach now. There is no problem. It will take 1 hour or 1.5 hours.
No, I think
Before,
Yeah.
right? Before calling the constructor, you people knowing what is this exactly? How this is getting called? When I create object first time, I didn't teach you what is this. Correct?
Yeah. So in the next
After
class, you
3 class, you got to know what is this exactly, right?
Yeah. Yes.
The same way, when I will teach you some method, when this I will use, when you will have a method of same returning type, same name will be there, and the returning type will be class type.
Okay.
Okay, instead of void, I will be writing here college.
Okay.
Getting?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now
That
I'm getting. Yeah.
that time again I will write one more method. I will write college of type that method, and from here I will write this dot something return another class object here.
Okay.
So that time you'll get a clarity. Now, what is
Yeah.
the clear picture here is using this keyword also we can access the current class method without calling from main method.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. I
Right?
got it. We got it where it is going. So yeah. No need to waste time on that now. Yeah. We can.
No, not wasting the time. See what, not only with you, what happens, no, sometimes the pattern, the mindset is we understood like this. Now this also I will understand like that.
Okay.
That means mind searches sequences.
Yeah.
Because you feel very much happy, confident on constructor while doing that scenarios. Now, same thing I want to do with access with methods.
Yeah.
Correct? No, because this is the mindset. So that mindset will also work out. The first day when I told you this is the complete statement to create an object. Now, after 2 class, you got to know what is object here. So you got to know this is the only object, right?
Yeah.
After 3 class, you got to know, oh, this is the constructor, correct?
Yes.
After 3 class, you got to know this is the parameter and that is actual parameter. And at the time of loading the class only, it will get initialized, correct?
Yeah.
Now, this will also means the real benefit of using this. First of all, you should understand here to call another method, you must have 2 methods defined in the class, minimum, correct? Then only you
Yeah.
can call, right? So now you will tell, sir, we can do with the same thing. Same thing is there with the without this calls also. We need at least 2 methods. Correct?
Yes.
Correct. Now changes will come, difference will come. But first you understand using this keyword, we can access the current class methods. Using this also, we can access the current class methods. Earlier you were knowing, okay, here simply I will write the another method name, it will get called. Correct now?
Yeah.
Simply I will write the method, it will get called. Void get data is there, get USN is there. You can do that. Right? Understood?
Yeah.
So same way, you can play a lot of things here, like this dot get USN is method is there. This dot get USN I have called. I can pass some parameters. I can call it. I can pass to the class variable. I can return the type of the college class using this keyword. I can return the another class using this keyword. I can assign some reference to the class returning type methods using this keyword inside the same class. Right? So first you check the uses using this keyword. We can access the current class method as well. Okay, this is okay or not okay?
Yeah.
But if you will call same class, if you call the method again within the same context, then what will happen? If you are calling the method itself, what will happen? This is the
It will go on
question.
the loop.
It will go to the
We'll go to infinite loop.
infinite loop. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is, and what that terminology is called?
Recursion.
Recursion. And now you go and search recursion program. Just check factorial number. So there they have used recursion concept. So sometimes recursion is also good. We should do that. But most of the time you should not try this. Getting?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is another point. But here, now you should ask, sir, can I call the method from constructor? Now check here. This is your constructor, right?
Mm.
Now, can I call the method from this constructor? This dot get US. Now try this. Try this. First, check all these garbage things. Clear these garbage things. Sorry. Okay. This is your constructor, right? This dot get US. It should throw error. I am writing somewhere else the program actually. See here, I should write. I am writing it here. Let me close this. Yes. Let me close this. Let me go here. And where is that? This keyword part 2. Correct, na? This is the one. This is the program.
Yeah.
Edit with not. This you open. This is opened now. Now get USN. I think so. No, still I am writing somewhere else. Say what I am trying. From constructor, if you will call the method. Now you see. This dot get USN. Let's see the result. Java. One more thing. So the USN is 0, the US. So is it valid or not? Can we call method from constructor? That is my question.
Yes, sir.
Here I am. Can we call method from constructor? I will take your scenario also. Let's simply write here get USN. Now you only understand the difference. Little gradually you will understand. Now I will not use this one. I will simply calling get USN. Okay. Now yes.
Okay.
See, are you getting? Are you getting or not? Now you only tell here. Whenever I will call the constructor, at the same time I am calling the get USN method. This point is clear?
Yeah.
At the time of loading the class, in the same context, I am calling this method get USN, right?
Yeah.
Correct or not correct?
Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
Now, why we are calling this? If my constructor is only doing this job to update the class variable, correct? And in the same context, I am calling this method to access the current class members. So here you will get to know whether my current class variable is updated with my constructor parameter or not at the time of loading the class itself. If get USN is having like college USN, whether it got updated or not, get college USN plus what is that college name, whether it got updated with the constructor parameter or not at the time of loading the class only. So if you initialize here the value and you can check, you don't have to call this, right? Using get USN, you can confirm that get USN method. You can confirm is college USN got changed to something value else and college name got changed to some value else. You don't have to call even explicitly. Means at the time of on this line only, your method will get initialized with the updated value of college USN and college name at the time of loading the class. At the time of loading the class here, either you use this dot get USN or use get USN. Anything is fine. Right? Did you understand this point or didn't understand? What is the benefit of calling the method from constructor? First of all, can we call the method from constructor or not? That is the first thing.
Yes, so we can.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can call.
We can call. Second thing, what if we will call get USN from the constructor? What benefit will going to get? What benefit we are going to get?
Is it
This
updated
point,
values?
this point you people are not clear. So here we'll get the clarity, boss. At the time of loading the class only, whether my class variable is updated with this constructor value or not, here I can get the result now. Guys, if you will do like this.
Yeah, but
This,
yesterday we said it is like on the fly, like it will not be assigned. You said.
I said like here, first you call the constructor, initialize, then call the method, right?
Yeah.
Correct. In get data, I don't want to do anything here. See here, this is, and here I assigned it yesterday, correct? This dot college USN equal to, I have written some value,
You assigned
right?
yesterday.
Sorry,
Yeah.
in
Correct.
construction, in constructor,
Yes.
correct? In constructor. This is my constructor. Here I have
Yeah,
written,
this is the constructor. Yeah.
correct? This dot
Yeah.
college name like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Equal to you assigned that.
And assigned, I have assigned, correct?
Yeah.
Here. And then I did this dot college
Name, the college name.
equal to college name,
To college
right?
name.
Now,
Yeah.
in the same context, now you call this get USN, it will give you the updated value of college USN and name.
Okay, but if the two lines are not present,
Then it will not give.
it will not give. Oh,
Right.
yeah, it will show the not initialized value. I mean default value. Is that
correct? So
yeah.
this dot get USN, now this dot get USN is a method, right? Now you are not calling this. You are not calling this. Even this also you are not calling this. So that is my question. We will get the updated value here or not? Here. Here. I'm not calling this method. What is that method? Get data. Here get data method is there. Here even I am not calling this USN method and all. But just simply from constructor only. I'm not calling any method here. Can you see that? Even get data also I'm not calling. I am simply creating an object and I am trying to initialize the class variable with this one. And at the same time, I want to know whether my class variable is updated or not. Are you getting? Not getting. Now tell me. See here. Did I call any one of the method here from main? Any method?
No, say to that.
I didn't get call any method. Simply I called the constructor. And I have one method defined in this class, correct? And I'm trying to update the value. At the same time, I want to know whether my class variable is updated with this value or not.
Okay.
You got the answer or not?
Yeah.
Now you don't write this. You write this only. What is the problem? Now see.
It will show error.
Can you see that? Hello? Can you see
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
So the purpose of calling this keyword, we can call, it will help you to access the current class methods from constructor also. If I am writing, you only tell this. If I am writing, it is 100% sure that boss, I am calling this method from this class only. This is clear picture here. I am calling this method get USN from this class only, right? I'm not calling this USN get USN method from any other entity. At least this much understanding you should have. And the calling of get USN method from constructor means simple. Here I'm writing calling the constructor from method. Calling the constructor. Calling the method from constructor. Calling the method from constructor, right? Using this keyword. That also you can do. Time will come, you will understand this, huh? So you can do that. Calling this, you can do that. Now you will get to know the difference. Now same this we cannot use other places. Like this is okay. Fine. You got to know. Now you will, after 1-2 class only, you will get to know why we are using this keyword to access the current class method. Just after 1-2 class. Now this part is clear. Can we call method using constructor or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And what is the benefit? At the same time, we'll get to know whether my class variable is initialized with constructor value or not. Correct?
Yes.
Code is precise, no? Now. Now, here. Now, simply you write go and compile. Now got output. Did you get the output?
No.
Now you will get to know. Just don't worry. Whatever your question is there, you will get to know. So if method is just static and all, that time whether this will work or not work, then this keyword you have worked right here. Now, where is that? This dot get USN. Okay. Now, write simply get USN now. Okay. Still you will get error. Can you see that? You are not able to call either with this keyword, this method, and with simple method call also you are not able to. Getting? So these things you ask the purpose why we are using this keyword to call the method. I'm able to do without using this keyword only. 1 to 2 days, just you wait, you will get all your answers.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Yeah.
So if you will, first of all, you will get to know where all I can use, where this keyword will be fitted as per my requirement. So, okay, if I want to use to call the method using this keyword, first of all, don't call any static method using this. Okay, in non-static method, go and filter which all I can call using this, which will give me the result. Right? So, first, this you understood or not? This one?
Yes.
What is the lesson from this program? Without calling any method, I will get confirmed whether my class variable will get initialized with constructor variable or not, constructor value or not, in the same context. Here.
Sir, I got another question here once you're done.
Tell me.
Sir, I know it's 11:15, but
Yeah, I am guys now. Okay, let me stop the session. Okay, you ask.
Yeah, so one question. So here we have college, and then we are getting two variables. One is college USN and college name, right? And then we are printing the values, whatever we are calling in the constructor. So line number 41 is okay. So 42 and 43, sorry, 42 and 43. So why we are assigning the same value? Say, for example, okay, so for example, college USN, say for example, if we are getting 232, okay, and why we are initializing the same value into the same variable. Say for example, 232 equal to 232. That is what 42 line number, right?
No. Your college USN is 0 and college name is null.
Oh, why it's 0? Because if you scroll to the up in the main method, we are sending value.
Say here.
Okay,
this is
so
0, this is null.
Default value.
yeah, default value is 0, and then string is null, which is good. But we are calling the constructor, right? If you scroll, where is it? Yeah. So here, as soon as when line number 6 is executed, okay, object will be created and the value will be sent to line number 39, right?
Line number 39. Here we will get 232 and here we will get whatever the college name is there.
Yes.
Right?
So my question is, in line number 42, already we are having those values. In college USN, we got some value from
No. This college USN is constructor parameter. It's not class variable.
Correct. It's constructor parameter and it is having some value from the constructor. Okay. Right. Now in 42, again, we have the same, I mean, we already got some value from the constructor, right? So why we are assigning same value to the college USN? That piece I did not get.
No, then you didn't understand this. Just wait 1 second.
Yeah,
1
yesterday
second.
we were
Just
doing-
try to make her understand. Make him understand.
Please,
Yeah,
someone.
by this this keyword will always be used to access the class variable.
Correct.
The class variable. So in this line 42, this dot college USN means it doesn't mean first of all first point is the main method. After that, in the main, sir, can you please scroll to the top, please? Yeah. First, in line number 6, what are we doing? College C is equal to new college of 232 SAT. These values refer to the constructor. So it is like it is like on the fly. You have to keep in mind the keyword on the fly. So it will go to the constructor and the values will get passed in the constructor variable.
Correct.
So
Yes.
yeah, and the next line 41, you will print the constructor, the variables that we have passed in the constructor. So now what are we doing? So since it didn't show an error, while we execute, see the college class variables also have the same name, the constructor variables also have the same name, but still it didn't throw an error. Which means what? Like you can use the same. We use this keyword to differentiate between these two. So like this dot college USN will refer always to the class variable. This keyword will always be used to access the class variable which we have declared in the top.
Just 1 second. The line number 39, college, inside that int college USN and string college name, there it is mentioning this college constructor. What kind of parameter it can accept? It can accept a parameter, integer parameter, and it can accept one string parameter. So it is just mentioning what kind of parameter it can accept. It is not assigning the values to the class variable. Assigning is happening only in the 43 and 44. If you are not assigning any values, and if you are just passing in the constructor, passing is just passing. It is not, it doesn't mean that it is assigned. So here in the line number 39, you are thinking that okay, when the constructor, when the object created, at that time it is getting assigned. It is not getting assigned. In the line number 39, it is just showing that okay, it can accept one parameter, integer parameter, and it can accept one string parameter. When it accept, it will be assigning to a variable college USN and college name. It is specific to that constructor method. It is not assigning to the class variable.
Yeah, we can still use college USN and college name inside the method also. Get USN inside that method also we can use the same name. In each time we use it, it has a different scope. So I would that is why I was confused before the previous class. That's why I tried that apartment, the house construct, that program, and only then I got to know. Like try getting problems from the internet itself, and then when we try to do that, I think that's when we get some more clarity.
See, you both are correct only. What's your name?
Govind.
Sorry?
Govind.
Movin.
Govind. Govind.
Oh, Govind.
Govind
You are
Raj.
Govind, and yours name, ma'am?
Vinodini, I believe. And then Shaishan.
No, is it Vinodini?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So Vinodini, your answer is also precise. Actually, I'm telling you, Govind, don't just take your example. You are Govind, you are telling just it is defining it is an integer parameter, right? You told string. No, that is one way of understanding, but not exactly correct understanding. Here, first of all, you see what is his question. The guy Suresh who has asked this question, he is asking college USN, already we are passing the value college USN and college name. Then why we are assigning again it here?
Correct. Yeah, that was a question from me. Yes.
Yeah, that is what he asked. Now, Binodni has answered, boss, this dot college USN always refer to the class variable. Right side college USN is just constructor parameter. Right side is a constructor parameter. So constructor para college USN is having value 232. Here I am writing. Here 232. Just see, this is 232 and this is your college name. SAT or PSIT, whatever. So PSIT is coming here. Whatever you have given in the main method. SAIT.
SAIT,
what?
yeah.
Yeah, SAIT. It is coming here, SAIT. Now, if you'll print college USN and college name, what output you will get it here?
College USN 232 and SAT.
232 and SAT, right?
Yeah.
Did you get 0 and null? What will happen if I want to get the value of this one? Call this college class USN and college class name. I want to get it here. How I will get it?
Okay. For that,
so that time you must use this keyword, na?
Okay. Sounds good. Okay. So, okay.
Now this
so
means,
when we
this
use,
means
so,
from now see another way you can understand. If I will write here college USN college name, then it will check the nearest local variable college USN and college name. Which is nearest from here? Which one is the nearest one? College USN and college.
Constructor.
That is also one way. And if I will write this means no, this is class college USN and class college name.
Okay, so it will refer the class. Okay.
Yeah, here you will get 0 and null. Right? This is what she was telling. And here, just I'm left side is a class variable. I'm assigning with constructor value. Right side is a constructor value. Right side is a constructor value. Now you print this. You will get 232 and this one.
Site.
Right? You will get this one. Now, same thing, instead of writing these lines, what I did, I call one method, get USN. To make sure whether this value is updated or not, my class variable is updated or not, I have created one method, get USN. See here, get USN. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes,
there I am trying to print the college USN is 232 and SAT or not after initializing. So here in the same context, same constructor, I am accessing the class variable as well as I am updating the class variable, both. And who is confirming? This method is confirming here. If you are not calling this method, then here you can write this statement and you can get the output here also. Here also same output you will get. See here, you got 232. First of all, see line by line you go. Here for the, oh my God. Let it. Only 4 students are there or how many are there? I don't.
I think 10.
Okay, good. So here you see 2 argument constructor 232 and SAT. This is the answer for this line number 41. Okay. Line number 42, you will get 0 and null. Can you see that?
Yes.
And after assigning the class variable with constructor value, you are getting 232 and SAT. Getting?
No, but we are not, but again, we are printing using this keyword. So,
So this keyword, now your college USN is assigned with constructor value, right? And again, you are calling this keyword means now it is going and current class variable you are trying to access. So this current class variable is assigned with 232. Current class variable name is assigned with SAT. So you are getting SAT, 232 and SAT.
Okay, sounds good. So what will happen if I remove this statement from system.out.println? Because we have already assigned, right?
If you will remove, then always it will print always it will print 232 and SAT. Right? You will not get to know whether it's a class variable or constructor variable.
Oh, okay. Got it. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, all 3 of you.
No, it's good that you people are asking as a forum. You are trying to make it. It is good. And I remember this question. One people asked like, what is the use if we are calling the method without this keyword and with this keyword? What is the benefit?
I only asked that question.
Yeah. So the first benefit, that is good question. But first benefit is whether we can access using this keyword current class method or not. Correct?
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you.
That itself, okay. This means it is holding the current class address. Oh, it means I can access any member using this keyword. Right? So I try to access the current class method from constructor also. Both worked. But the time will come when you will try to access the constructor from method. Now, you try to, if this is the concept, then you will tell, sir, we can access constructor also. Now we can call constructor also here. Correct? From method. And we can call this constructor again, right? Here I can give some value, 30. Here I can give some name, XYZ. Right? The way you are able to call the method from constructor, same way I can call constructor from method. Correct?
Yeah.
but this will give you error. Okay. Can you see that?
Yeah, cannot find symbol.
Right.
Calling
Answer you
constructor
will
from
get it.
method.
Don't worry. Answer you will get it. Just actually, this is not the exact error. Understood? This is not the exact error. But we cannot call the constructor from method. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear on this? You can call constructor from constructor only. You can call constructor from constructor only. Like here, let's say, first of all, comment this line. These all are scenario. Calling constructor from method, invalid. You will get an error. Now, I am creating. Now, if you want, oh, I want one more constructor here. So what you can do, you can call this constructor. Here you call this. Give some parameters here. I want to call with this argument. I want to, this one. Hello. Let's say, what is that? Vinodni. Okay. Just I am taking the example. Now, you can call this. For this, you don't have to create an object. How can you call? Just create the same constructor here. Here. Right? Correct or not? So integer string. This time I will call string and integer. Like this. I have a mood now. I want this type of constructor to be called. Right? Everything is having importance at different places. Now here. Now you print here.
Is it kind of overload a constructor?
You are trying to overload the constructor here. So gradually you will get all the answers. Don't worry.
Okay.
We are trying to overload the constructor here. Now, here two things are there. Whether we can call constructor from constructor or not. That is there. Now go execute this. You got the answer, Binodini and 300, right? Are you getting or not? See, what I did, I am calling the constructor from constructor. Now, you try to call this constructor from method using this keyword. This is your method. You try to call it here or anywhere. Write
So
it
we
here.
we no need to put new. So because
No,
of this
not required. Not required. As per your requirement, you can create a temporary constructor in the class based on your requirement. I want Vinodni and 300 right now. I want Sasi and 500 right now. You can use this keyword and you can call the constructor from constructor. Right now, I am calling the constructor from method. See here, this is what I wanted, this error I wanted. Call to this must be first statement in the constructor. So first of all, we can call the constructor using constructor only. Here, I'm writing. We can call the constructor from constructor only. This is first thing. Second thing, and it must be the first statement. It must be the first statement. What do you mean? Okay, so this is invalid. This is again invalid. We cannot call constructor from method. Okay. Cannot call constructor using this from method. Okay, this is one thing. So this is invalid. Now, second thing, while calling the constructor from constructor, it should be the first statement. If you write this here, you write it here, comment this, it will throw error. Even you can call the constructor from constructor, that is correct. But this should be the first statement, not any. See, again, you will get the same error. See here, you will get the meaning of it. Call to this must be the first statement in the constructor. Can you see that?
Is the reason why, sir?
So first rule is, first understand the rule. While calling, first of all, constructor can be called from constructor only. Okay. Constructor can be called from constructor only. And while calling the constructor from constructor, it should be the first statement. That is second rule. Are you understand? Did you understand or not?
Yes, this is the rule.
This is the rule. This is the syntax. Now, if you'll ask what is the why integer we are writing int, then who has developed Java, with whom I should ask, right? So this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Like constructor should be first statement. Now the reason, as per your experience, my experience, you can think why it should be the first statement in the constructor. Because when class will be loaded, this constructor will get executed. Then it is giving preferences to this keyword both if any other constructor is defined, execute along with him at the time of loading only. And after that, if you are writing a statement, means these are the another logics. These are not constructor part, correct? So for that reason, they have made it as it should be a first statement in the constructor, not as a second statement, because constructor will get called at the time of creating an object. So at the time of what is the sequence? Whenever you will create an object, constructor will get executed, correct or not?
Correct.
So at the same time, whenever this will get executed, at the same time, it should search, okay, is there any other constructor also? Let it execute at the same time. That's why it should be the first statement. It should not give in the second preferences or second execution flow, second priority. Understood? This is what may be the reason. First of all, this is the syntax. We should write like this one: constructor must be called from constructor and it must be a first statement inside the constructor using this keyword. Understood?
And I have one more question. The another constructor you write, right? College string, college name. That one you can place anywhere within the class, or
Yeah,
should
you can
be...
place anywhere. Sorry.
Okay.
You can place, let's say here, Control C. Execution will be same. JVM will pick up. Your compiler will pick. Here you write. Here also you write.
I thought it goes to sequence level. Okay.
Right. Now, you see, you people, it's good that you people are elaborating more and more. I am very much happy. This batch is asking so many questions. Very good. But you should not forget this in next class. That is also my request. Understood?
Yeah, got it.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So please, now what you people should try? Okay. Sir has made this first why he has sent first as a string and second as an integer. I will do here also same argument I will take. Are you getting? Here also I will take the same argument. Same order of sequence. Here I will write USN, int USN, and here I will write string. Understood? Didn't get my scenario? I will change the order. I will write it here like this. Is it going to impact anything?
Yes.
Right? Now, okay, he told Using this, he is getting error, na? I will call the constructor like this. What will happen? Understood? Are you getting? See here, this is also a constructor. I am calling like this.
No, this is constructor, but it's not in the same order, right? Say for example.
No, it's
the
okay. Yeah, you make it integer here. That's why I made
Okay,
it na
okay.
integer here. Integer. You make it integer. Here you write this. What is the problem? You write it like this. Now it's okay.
I believe it will throw an error because the reference variable, I think the object can be initialized to only once, if I'm not wrong.
So don't believe, practice this.
Okay, yeah, sure. Okay.
Don't believe anything, just practice it here. Like this. You will get, and take this error. That's why I am teaching in Notepad. Because in Eclipse, you may not get the detailed error. And this error will correct your concept. You should copy this error, paste into Notebook. Okay, when I will do like this, I will be getting this error. And this is the way they will ask in the interview. In Cinder Electric, I have interviewed day before yesterday. You know, I thought of they will ask big program and all. They were jumbling with these keywords. What will happen if I will do like this? What will happen if we will do like this? You people are forcing me to do this scenario, but you people are not doing. I will tell you will forget. So you should do like one girl morning, she has asked one question. Why I have given priority to her? Because she has thought, she has tried by herself. Okay, this scenario she thought she's doing. Then I told, yes, you can swap, but this is not the correct way, whatever you are doing. At least she got the clarity. She will never forget because she has done this scenario by herself. She will never forget. Who has asked? She's there in the class? I don't know. Swapping the numbers. You were there? I don't know.
No,
One girl.
no, I think she left. I think she left. Vinodini left.
Vinodini, I don't see in the conversation there.
Yeah. So like this, you people see, like so many batch I have seen, big people will come who is having 16 years of experience, 17 years of experience. Even I used to teach personally also there also. They will have a lot of ideas while teaching. Second, third day or fourth day, same concept if I will bring it. Then, okay, can you tell me how it happened? Then if I will tell, no, already I taught you, I will not teach you again, they will feel bad. And if I will teach again, it is going to kill the time, right? So this Java, no, if you are, I am teaching you the real backbone of Java. I will not teach you array collections and all. This part I cover in Selenium. OOPS concept, I will make you strong in such a way that you will never forget in your life. Like class, object, constructor, I am teaching now. This keyword, then static, non-static, then method overriding, overloading, then types of inheritance, all with examples. What is the difference between this keyword, super keyword, getter, setter? Then what is overriding? Why we do overriding? What is polymorphism at runtime, at compile time? How it will happen? How we can do dynamic dispatch? Then I will switch to the abstract. Then before that, I will switch to package. Then I will tell you whether you can access a private, public, or default. Is it applicable? You know, I will create 7 packages. You have to access all the members from, you have to play like anything. But if you will not practice, nah, this is the same thing I was experiencing when I learned 14 years back Java. Just core Java. 1 month class I attended somewhere. After that, I left, and for each concept, I was practicing 50 scenario. For each concept, I was practicing 50 scenario. Let's say I am teaching you today this keyword. Using this keyword, you take now all scenarios. Try that. You will never forget. So it's good that you are bringing the idea, but parallelly, you should do that also. Is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So question,
Yeah.
the classes, what is the estimated time for the entire course?
Sorry, I didn't get Bonnie. Can you please come again?
So my question is, what is the estimated time for this entire training?
It depends on you people. Now,
Okay.
in 1 hour, I would have finished today static and non-static. But we are still in constructor this keyword. So how much question you will ask, that I will not stop myself to answer you. It depends on you. Generally, 20 hours is more than enough to finish it. But already 10 hours we have spent, right?
Yes, sir.
10 hours, 12 hours, we still, the way you will ask so many questions, I will not stop myself. In that time will go. Now today 2 hours gone. I have left my work and I am there with you people. So it depends on you, how much you are absorbing fast, how much you are doing. And if you are taking more time, I will take more time. Simple. Otherwise, 20 hours, I can finish this OOPS concept.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Yeah.
understood, sir.
So this
And-
all depends on you people. As a student or learner, if you ask, I will not stop. How much you will ask, that much I will explain. Till the time you want to understand, I will keep on teaching. Let it go 20 hours extra, 30 hours. I don't take that consideration.
And very thank you from our side for helping us to understand everything and going very detailed.
I
We truly
should give
appreciate your
thank you, welcome for that, and I will give thank to you all people when you will relate this concept with some automation tool. When you will relate this concept with the automation tool. Why you are learning this? To become a developer. Developer knows this much only. Now this is the standard of SDET, software development engineering in test, not as a software developer. Developer, with here only he will do 50 scenario with this keyword and constructor. It will go over your head. This much is the standard of tester nowadays in automation section. So you should understand, like when automation tool you will be using, Selenium you will be seeing, hey, and I will ask you an interview question. Okay, simple. Let's say, tell me the overloaded methods or constructor in Selenium. Right? All Java only. See here, just 1 minute I will take and I will wind up the session and I will copy paste this program. You people can do this now, right now. You can download it. Or chat, just copy and paste here. Everything is there. Just right now copy it. Because again, I will open. Just let me 1 minute. I will tell you this live examples you see practically. You people will feel automation tool. Today he is also delaying. Just 1 second, guys. Please wait. You have given a lot of time. Sometimes it will be slow. Will it open? Yeah. Okay, fine. Launch this. Just I am launching. Just wait. Yeah. So let me just open one small program. That's it. Just see here. Okay. Now here, see driver dot. Just wait. Just wait. Now I will type dot. Second. Now what is this all? What is this all?
Methods.
The
Methods.
locator.
Yeah, you are telling locator, but actually it's a method, right?
Yeah.
Correct, na? So, and what is the type of this?
Link.
No,
Type.
String.
no. String is an argument, parameter. So
Link
that's why you
text.
should understand now these things. Now see, it is a, from where I am accessing, what is this?
Class.
By is a class. Inside this class, this method is defined. Inside this class, this method is defined. Okay. Now, this method is all these methods as a locator. Locators are defined as a methods inside by class. See, all 8 locators are there. Class name, CSS, ID, link, name, partial link test, tag name, XPath. These all 8 locators are defined as a method inside a class. So instead of writing this, you can write like this, no? You can create a reference of by class by equal to, correct? And you can assign this. Sorry.
True.
Anything by dot class name, anything. And you can store, no? Like this or whatever. By dot, you can store inside this by reference variable. Now here you can write dot whatever you want.
But you
By
are
dot.
not creating new.
Sorry.
You are not creating by. You are creating
So
the
why
object.
I'm not creating? That's why these all things will come when you will learn Selenium. You can assign this, but you can assign like this. By class, by reference variable, you can assign this.
Yeah.
Okay. You can assign this. These all values. You can assign this. You can assign it to, because these all are type specific. See, now cannot convert from void to by. Right? You should understand. See, this is all Java concept here. Now by is a class. I have created a reference of by class. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Inside this, what I am doing, I am trying to provide the address of this one. I'm trying to provide this address of this one. To store the address, we need web element class. So that time you will get the real use of class, object, constructor. Constructor also you can see here. Here you see, let's say actions ACT equal to new actions. Now see what we are passing it here. One second. Let me import. Just see here. Okay, import this. Now what is this? Now comment this line. What is this? What is this?
Parameter
Nice.
for constructor.
So constructor, this is constructor of actions class, and this is predefined classes, right? So now in this, you see act dot something right move to. See here. What is this? This is overloaded method or not?
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Here also, now this you got overloaded method. Same way, here also you have defined driver. Right? You can write, no, you can create a constructor of this class, something. And if some class is extending here, you can make no this dot driver equal to driver, something. Here you can create the constructor of this class.
But the
Here
constructor
also.
name, sorry to interrupt, but the constructor name should always be the class name, right?
100%.
Okay, but if we look at line number 19, that is called, it says that action.
No, action is different class.
Mm-hmm.
Actions is a different class.
We called the line number 24 as constructor, right?
Here constructor is there. Here in this class, we are passing the actions class.
Okay, in
if you
class,
see
we
the
are
implement.
passing.
Yeah. If you see the declaration of this action class, here you see
Okay.
how they have defined this. constructor.
Got it.
Can you see
got
that?
it, got it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now we
So
have the
like
same.
then after once I will teach you, then you will start feeling the automation tool. And this is what interviewer and the project people expecting from you. Understood?
Yeah.
Is it okay
Yeah.
or not okay? All right. So this is what you can do it. You can try it. And later, this is a short example I have given you. Once I will teach you a static, non-static. You will see a lot of static function here. How to import a static imports also we can do. A static directly function I can assign it here. So it will be more useful. Now you people go and take this program and sleep for 2 days nicely, and again come to Monday and ask all big question and don't practice. Right?
No, we will
Yeah,
practice.
more practice is needed. Yeah.
So please practice. I see this all. If you will not practice, no, I can't help you. I will in class. You will feel very much easy and very much satisfied. Ah, very nice. After 2-3 class, same thing. If I will ask, then you will tell, oh, why it happened like this? This is the problem. So please do that. So this program I am doing, guys, you can put in WhatsApp also. This you people do it. You people has taken my time. At least you do. Now download in front of me only. Click here, open in browser and download.
Drive, right?
Open your chat. Sorry.
Drive, right? Can you put it in drive? Drive is
Yeah, but download. No, now again I have to open Gmail and again I have to do zip unzip access. I have to give 7 steps. I have to do, right?
I'm not able to see the program.
Here attachment you are not able to see.
No,
No.
we are able to see the attachment, but it's not related to today's code.
No.
For
Company.
me,
Okay, company 3.java, right? Okay. No, for you might be joined later. So where is that? This keyword part 2.
Yeah,
here.
this keyword part 2, and then
So this is this one you want.
Yes,
correct?
please. Yeah.
So you can delete this one. Now I am sending this one. Right?
Yeah, we got it.
Already
Now you
downloaded
download.
the-
Click here, open in browser, and here click on download.
Sir, is it same?
someone
I could
share on
download the
WhatsApp.
previous one.
If you will speak one by one, definitely I will answer you. Yeah, tell me.
If anyone able to download and able to see the file, please share on WhatsApp because I'm not able to see.
Others are able to see?
Yeah,
I
for
could,
me,
sir, I could
Don't
download
download
the
it.
previous one. Is it the same one that is shared now?
No. Previously, all programs I shared through Google Drive.
No. I mean, just now you had shared one link, right? Just 2 minutes ago.
Link.
Here you had attached one.
I have
And then
deleted that because I don't want that.
Oh, I see. I downloaded. I could download it there. Okay. So we are not referring to that. Okay.
No, we
Also,
are.
I just forward that file in WhatsApp. Whoever is
Yeah, and he has forwarded in
I have
WhatsApp
also
also. Nice.
forwarded.
Yeah, please share. Okay.
Yeah, he has already shared in WhatsApp. See,
Okay, I'll check.
Ashish Saxena has put in the WhatsApp University 1.java program in the WhatsApp. You write it, today's program. You write it. Please write one note. Hi, hello everyone. Please download this Java file for today's program. Write this.
yeah, I cannot download.
Yeah. Now it is good. From here attachment can be downloaded.
Right. Here also and WhatsApp also he has shared. You can download it.
Yeah.
Okay. So shall we wind up? Can you please guys release me for today?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sure.
It's
Thank you so
midnight over
much.
here also. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. And don't worry, whatever answer you didn't get, just wait for 2-3 class, you will get that.